more than 70% more accurate in terms of everything, in terms of revenue, in terms of productivity, in terms of client delivery. La Laundry is a commercial laundry like other commercial laundries in UAE, but it's a very, I would say, small market. There are not many commercial laundries, and we are one of the biggest ones. My name is Taha Siddiqui. I work as an IT manager. I've been in this commercial laundry business for more than 7 years.
I'm Sara Castrovinci. I'm Operation Director of La Laundry. La Laundry is new for us, but the mission that we have is to become one of the first in Dubai. So we are a young team, and we are different culture because I'm from Italy, we have people from Kenya, we have people from India, Pakistan, Nepal, so it's a mix of culture that they can make different the company.
A commercial laundry is a very operation-oriented business. If you don't have everything connected, everything linked to each other, you cannot run your workflow. Of course, we needed something that we can customize to fit our needs, and hence I started with Zoho. When you talk to a software company these days, it's like, yes, we can do everything, but they do not deliver. But Nurture Spark, they have delivered every customization that we have asked for. Currently, we are using Zoho Books and Zoho Creator, but I'm currently working with Nurture Spark, getting on board HRMS and fleet management as well. Every batch that comes in a commercial laundry comes with a weigh bill, traditionally. That is how every laundry works. Zoho Creator, managing all these orders, all these deliveries, all this workflow, plus having Zoho Books integrated with it, it's very efficient for us to track everything, track the movements, and then bill and invoice the client.
Before Zoho was only pen and paper. After Zoho, never receive complaint from my clients in terms of billing. We avoid any single problem from my client.
With Zoho, with Nurture Spark, with the customizations we have done so far, I would say we in UAE, the most accurate commercial laundry in terms of our revenue per production. More than 70% more accurate in terms of everything, in terms of revenue, in terms of productivity, in terms of client delivery. I would definitely suggest Zoho to people I know, my friends, colleagues and other businesses, because it's a very versatile and can fit any business, I would say.
If I need to describe Zoho in one word, il futuro. The meaning is future.